Hey fitness partners, today I will tell you. The delicious and nutritious salad is packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals to help you on your weight loss journey. I have lost 15 pounds in just 20 days by taking this salad as my dinner meal regularly. The combination of cabbage, carrots, cucumber, apple, and a tangy yogurt dressing is not only satisfying but also incredibly healthy. Before we dive into today's video, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the fantastic content we have coming your way. Joining our community is super easy. Just click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell right next to it. That way, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos. For making this delicious salad, we only need the following ingredients. For the salad: 2 cups shredded cabbage, red or green. 1/2 teaspoon salt. Adjust to taste. 1 cup grated carrots into fine small slices with the help of grater. 1 medium cucumber, thinly sliced of a size which you like the most. 1 medium apple, thinly sliced or grated as per your own choice. Here are the instructions for making salad. 1. Prepare the vegetables. Start by shredding the cabbage finely. If using whole cabbage, remove the core and slice it thinly. Grate the carrots using a box grater. Thinly slice the cucumber and apple. You can leave the skin on for extra fiber and nutrients. 2. Salt the cabbage. In a large mixing bowl, place the shredded cabbage and sprinkle it with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Toss to combine. Let the cabbage sit for about 10-15 minutes. This helps to soften it and reduce its bitterness. While the cabbage is resting, prepare the dressing. For making sweet tangy dressing, we only need the following ingredients. 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons honey, adjust to taste. 1 lemon, juiced. Salt and pepper to taste. 3. Make the dressing. In a separate bowl, combine the plain Greek yogurt, extra virgin olive oil, honey, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Whisk the dressing until it's smooth and well combined. Taste it and adjust the sweetness or tanginess with more honey or lemon juice, as per your preference. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Our delicious sweet and tangy dressing is ready. Now we move back to our salad making. 4. Rinse and drain. After the cabbage has rested, rinse it thoroughly under cold water to remove excess salt. Squeeze out any excess water. 5. Assemble the salad. In a large salad bowl, combine the cabbage, grated carrots, sliced cucumber, and apple. Pour the dressing over the salad. 6. Toss and serve. Gently toss all the ingredients together until they are evenly coated with the dressing. Taste the salad and adjust the seasoning if necessary. 7. Chill and enjoy. Refrigerate the salad for at least 30 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld together. Serve chilled and enjoy your weight loss powerhouse salad. This salad is not only delicious but also a fantastic choice for those looking to shed some pounds. It's loaded with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants while being low in calories, making it a perfect addition to your weight loss meal plan. Remember, you're not just subscribing to a channel. You're becoming a part of our family, and we can't wait to have you along for the journey. Thank you for your support, your likes, your comments, and, most importantly, your subscriptions. Together, we're making your channel name an even better place. Until next time, keep being awesome.